Is your iPad screen completely black and refusing to turn on? Don't panic. Before you run to the Apple Store, let's fix it right now with these 3 verified solutions.
First, let's trigger a force restart to revive the frozen system. If your iPad has no home button, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. For iPads with a home button, press and hold the home and power buttons together until you see the logo.
Second, your battery might be deeply depleted. Clean any lint out of your charging port with a toothpick. Plug in a high-power fast charger and cable and let it charge for at least 1 hour. Low-power USB ports won't wake a dead battery.
Third, connect your iPad to a computer. Force restart it again, but keep holding the buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Click Update on your computer to reinstall iPadOS without erasing your data. Once the Apple logo appears, your iPad is back online. If these steps failed, it may be a hardware screen issue requiring Apple repair. Subscribe for more helpful tech tips.